Hey guys, it's me, Nichols here, your Boston-based real estate entrepreneur, and I'm here at another project. This is a fix and flip my team and I are just getting started on, guys. We closed on it about a week ago, and now we're getting going with our demo. As you can see, we got a nice full dumpster behind us. Our planning, just making sure everyone's on the same page. I met with a couple of our subcontractors this morning, and we really want to get started with this one. It's a single family. We picked it up for $200,000. It needs around $40,000 worth of work, and it's worth around $325,000, guys. First and foremost, I want to share how we found this deal to empower you to grow. So this property was on the probate list. It was a probate sale. One of my cold callers hit the jackpot when they were prospecting, called this seller. He was ready to sell, ready to move on. He was in a tough situation, and that's really what it is. We heard him out. We listened to his concerns first and foremost, and we're able to come up with a solution that worked for him in order for him to move forward. How do we fund this deal? We funded it with hard money, guys. So we use, as you guys know, I'm a hard money lender. I'm affiliated with a group here in the city of Boston, and we manage a good amount of funds. We actually funded over $15 million in hard money last year. And our exit strategy is going to be a fix and flip, as I had mentioned before. So far, really the biggest challenge to this one is navigating some unforeseen termite damage, which we're gonna have patched and repaired. It's minor because it's wood, it's not a full gut, but that's been the biggest obstacle. And the advice I'd give to any flippers who want to get into the game, guys, and that's really what all these videos are about, to help you grow and learn the business so you can make money on your terms, is prospecting, and doing it consistently, guys. That's the key. Anything will work as long as you're consistent with your process and your focus. So let's take a quick tour on the interior so I can showcase what we're planning on doing over here, guys. So as you can see, it's a 3-bedroom, 1-bath ranch, Campanelli style, no basement, guys. This is pretty common. This is in the Brockton neighborhood, just outside Boston. And Brockton is its own city. They also known as the Boogie Down. And this is actually my first project in Brockton, guys. But let's check out what's going on inside. So this is actually a family room, guys. As you see, it has been gutted to the studs. There was a drop ceiling here, and this is what was above it. So we are gonna have to insulate this room. We're not anticipating gutting any rooms other than the bathroom. That's an old chimney we're gonna get rid of right there. And this walks into the kitchen. We had a little issue with the overflow pipe here on the furnace. I took care of that this morning, drained it out so we're not getting any more leakage. So you have your, right now, kitchen I'm standing in, your living room space, the main entrance. Campanellis don't have a basement, they got a backtrack. That's why the furnace is in the kitchen. That's the furnace cover, which we will get Rust-Oleum and repainted and restored. I may just get a new one. You have bedroom number 1. So this is a small house. It's 1,300 square feet total, including that family room space that was gutted. Here's your bathroom. And this is some of the damage that we saw, guys, that we're gonna have to replace. As you can see, it's pretty rotted out, pretty bad. So we're gonna have to replace all of that rotted wood in this bathroom and around probably most of the windows in this house. Bedroom number 2. Kind of get a full tour of that bedroom. I'm gonna keep this brief. And bedroom number 3, guys. And that's it. That's a tour of the house. So with that said, guys, I just want to kind of give you our game plan here. As you can see, we didn't gut the main part of the house. We did gut that family room, but other than that, the rest of this is going to be skim coated and plastered. First and foremost, you want to keep our budget down and not go crazy with it. We're going to put laminate floors. So in this market, and this is one thing you want to check anytime you're doing a flip, check to see what the comps have sold for, obviously, but also look at the finishes in the comps. And that's something you're not gonna hear from a lot of flippers out here, because a lot of them don't even know that. And it's really about acquiring those skills. So this is one quick tip a lot of folks won't tell you, but look at the finishes of the other properties in the neighborhood that are sold. We were fortunate here. They just flipped the house next door earlier this year, or late last year, so the beginning of 2020 now. And we pretty much are gonna model our finishes after them. And there's like 5 or 6 other houses in this neighborhood that have been flipped within the last 12 months. So it's pretty easy to see what kind of finishes sell for top dollar here. And you don't have to go crazy. You can do laminate flooring instead of hardwood flooring. And these smaller kitchens, it's the norm in this neighborhood. The buyers are totally comfortable with it in that low 300 price point, 325, 330 range. So that's pretty much it. Definitely wanted to share what we're gonna do here, what our game plan was, and as I said, how we found it, how we funded it, and how we're gonna flip it, guys. Hope you found this helpful, guys. I'm gonna be sharing a lot more videos with our projects, with tips to help you grow your business and transform your life and make money on your terms in 2020 and beyond, guys. Stay tuned for more.